Ye call Emeritus Professor Apostle Dr. Engineer Safo akachesene na Ghana for do nim no oyo kunini a eba na body mu nyansape ene bibini se yenso yebetimi aye no e ade ode ne nkwa na nyina edi sa dwumadi jode twemu anampanyifo na deduanan da na ne nkaye nti no ye hwe afempimienu ene duonu miensa sino si ye ne tech show dwumadi na ode nsem etre
Enti mo video no enkoso na Kantanka television show samra ya papa Apostle waba be du dwem ha na ya jiji no baba na waba aba betena se amaye Apostle tena se pepepe na ya mana kwa aba
Kantanka Africa, the soul of Africa, Africa.
I add my voice to the earlier speaker to welcome you all to this year's expo under the theme Ensuring Sustainable Agriculture for Food Security through Science, Technology, and Innovation. As always, this year also promises to be very exciting, and I'm very pleased to be part of this expo. In previous expos, we have been treated to very delightful inventions and products like the Kantanka Okofo armored vehicle, the Kantanka electric car, the Kantanka automatic paint sprayer, the Kantanka three-phase induction motor, and many others. This afternoon, we look forward to witnessing more high-tech and scientific innovations from none other than our own Emeritus Professor Dr. Apostle Safo Kantanka, founder of the Christo Asafo Mission of Ghana, and his team.
Africa, the soul of Africa, Africa, technological Africa, bringing together Africa, 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 Kantanka, Africa, the soul of Africa, Africa, technological Africa, bringing together Africa. Africans cannot do it. Oh no. We will make sure we want to accept that Africans cannot fulfill it.
we eye ensa na ye de anwene nti we de yamfa mfa fidie mu na ye nwene ye de aba we eye ensa obroni bese handmade na Kantanka enam ninim de so a ene wanwene de aba edwaman so we eye obrempon we eye otitire we aye otitire ne adintini ehyen a ene ye de abadwa so a ye de kire amansan nyina se otimu a ne hyen no ene se de ne tebiate no aye soronko
Menim mrante no a nyina nso mra ha engineers no a no mo kase ase binum free ha no na me de no ma no a yegina so a yetumi de ye no nso so akyere mu te obetumi aweke enya anu muaye na nso so obehiham na ye adwuma de enya adwuma eni say Omani de hian say oka ye action before progress